Hi guys. Let's see how to add folder location to Photos app in Windows 10. The default program for viewing photos and videos on your computer that are stored locally or in the cloud using Microsoft OneDrive if you are using Windows 10 is called Photos. The Photographs app includes fundamental capabilities including viewing, organizing, and editing photographs. The software, however, only displays media files located in the Pictures folder on your computer by default. We'll walk you through each step of adding extra source locations or folders in the Photos app on your Windows 10 computer in this step-by-step manual. First of all, open the Photos app on your computer. Now, click on the menu icon in the top left corner of the Photos app and from the drop-down list, click on the Settings option. In the Settings window that opens, click on the Add a Folder button under the Sources section. Browse to the folder that you want to add, and once you have found the folder, click on the Add this folder to Pictures button. As soon as you complete these steps, the new location will be added to the Photos app and it will also start indexing images. To add more folders, you can keep following the above-mentioned steps for each new location. That's it. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.